In this video, you will understand cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services but uses as online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Much of the interest in these unregulated currencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or service that the company provides. Think of them as you would arcade tokens or casino chips. You will need to exchange real currency for the cryptocurrency to access the good or service. How many cryptocurrencies are there? What are they worth? More than 10,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly according to CoinMarketCap.com. This is a market research website. And cryptocurrencies continue to proliferate, raising money through initial coin offering or ICOs. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on May 27, 2021 was more than $1.7 trillion, down from April high of $2.2 trillion according to CoinMarketCap.com. The total value of all bitcoins, the most popular digital currency, were fetched at about $735 billion, down from April high of $1.2 trillion. Why are cryptocurrencies so popular? Cryptocurrencies appeal to their supporters for a variety of reasons. Here are some of the most popular. Supporters sees cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future and are racing to buy them now before they become more valuable. Some supporters like the fact that cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the money supply, since over time these banks tend to reduce the value of money via inflation. Other supporters like the technology behind the cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, because it is decentralized processing and recording system and can be more secure than traditional payment system. Some speculators like cryptocurrencies because they are going up in value and have no interest in the currency long-term acceptance as the way to move money. Are cryptocurrencies a good investment? Cryptocurrencies may go up in value, but many investors see them as mere speculation, not real investment. What is the reason? Just like real currencies, cryptocurrencies generate no cash flow, so for you to profit, someone has to pay more for the currency that you did. For those who see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of future, it should be noted that a currency needs stability so that merchants and consumers can determine what a fair price is for goods. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been anything but stable through much of their history. For example, while Bitcoin traded at close to $20,000 in December 2017, its value then dropped to as low as about $3,200 a year later. By December 2020, it was trading at record levels again. This price volatility creates a conundrum. If bitcoins might be worth a lot more in the future, people are less likely to spend or circulate them today, making them less viable as a currency. That's what's called the greater fool theory of investment. Contrast that to well-managed business which increases its value over time by growing the profitability and cash flow of the operation. So, should you buy cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is an incredibly